Alright, you read Coach Williams. First of all, unfortunate result today. You've been one of the best teams all competition. For you to come crashing down like this, how are you feeling right now?
I'm very disappointed. Our ambition is high. The intention was to go all the way, the preparation was to go all the way. So it's very disappointing to exit the competition at this stage. But I mean, hats off to the Mona team. I think they capitalized on our mistake and early reset us back, and they really defend stoutly for the rest of the game. So hats off to them.
Yeah, coach, you guys came into this game, but it didn't seem as though you were exerting as much intensity as would be required to win a game of this magnitude. Speak to us about the boys' mentality and attitude on the field today.
I beg to differ in terms of the intensity. I mean, the guys really put in a good shift. The mentality was right. As you see, we went 2 goals down early, and they didn't stop play. They played right to the end. So I mean, the mentality was there. It was unfortunate. I mean, against good teams, you cannot make mistakes. Plus, you have to put away the chances that you get. And we did create some chances, and we did not put them away. But I mean, all the best to Mona. We just have to focus on the Walker Cup. Hopefully, we will finish the season with a silverware.
Yeah, coach, on the Walker Cup, you know, many people dubbing it as a losing competition. Is that something that you guys will take seriously?
Definitely. I mean, you can see why people dub it as the Losers Cup. You have to lose in the Money Cup to go and play that. But it's a trophy out there up for grabs at this level. So definitely we'll be taking it seriously. We always play serious and always give a good account of ourselves. It doesn't matter if we are playing for a trophy or not.
Alright, coach. Good luck going forward.
Yeah, man. Thanks.